If you're living with a chronic condition, if you've seen doctor after doctor, waited in endless queues, spent a fortune, and still found no relief, I'd like to tell you a true story. Welcome to today's episode. In June 2025, at Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport, an Indonesian woman named Yeni stepped out of the arrivals hall with her daughter's family, 6 people in total. Their suitcases weren't packed with swimsuits or cameras. Instead, they were filled with medical records, lab reports, and a single page listing the family's ailments. Her son-in-law had hematuria and skin problems. Her son suffered from chronic heart palpitations. Her grandson had eczema and had been snoring in his sleep for years. Her granddaughter's face was covered in acne. 6 people, 4 conditions, spanning urology, cardiology, dermatology, and ENT. What would this mean in Indonesia? It would mean booking 4 separate specialists. It would mean waiting weeks, perhaps months, for each appointment. It would mean every doctor looking at only their own piece of the puzzle, with no one to coordinate the family's health as a whole. And Yeni herself? She had been tormented by headaches for 12 years. She had sought help everywhere, taken countless medications, yet her symptoms only grew worse. She told me there was a time when she felt life had lost all meaning. But in late 2024, a chance encounter brought her to Guangzhou, China, and into the Guangdong Provincial Hospital of Traditional Chinese Medicine. There, she met Professor Chen Shuhua. Professor Chen practiced a technique recognized as a national intangible cultural heritage, Lingnan Chen's acupuncture technique, swift insertion. Virtually painless, strong therapeutic sensation, rapid, visible results. After just a few sessions, Yeni's 12-year headache improved significantly. She immediately urged her daughter, who had also suffered from chronic headaches for years, to come for treatment. After 5 sessions, her daughter's headaches disappeared completely and they never returned. But that wasn't the end of the story. In June 2025, Yeni made a decision. She would bring the entire family of 6 to China. You might ask, why bring the whole family? Because in China, a single consultation table and a single physician can, through the holistic lens of traditional Chinese medicine, design an integrated treatment plan for the entire family's different conditions. No shuttling between 4 departments, no waiting in 4 queues, no paying 4 separate bills. So, what were the results? Her grandson had been snoring in his sleep for over 2 years. 1 session of acupuncture, significant improvement. Her granddaughter had been battling acne for more than a year. 3 sessions, remarkable improvement. Every member of the family saw their symptoms improve. But what moved me most wasn't the clinical outcomes. It was what happened next. Yeni didn't say goodbye. In October 2025, she flew to Guangzhou for the 3rd time. This time, her medical entourage had grown. She brought her cousin, her uncle, and a friend. And she brought joyful news. Her daughter-in-law, after receiving TCM conditioning, had successfully conceived. You see, the journey from a desperate patient to a devoted advocate of Chinese medicine to actively bringing loved ones across the ocean, this isn't marketing. This is trust, earned purely through efficacy. Yeni said something that stayed with me. She said, "Chinese acupuncture is truly remarkable. I truly hope TCM can be known by the whole world so it can save more people." So, if you or your family are struggling with a chronic condition, a complex illness, or simply the exhaustion of endless waiting, listen to Yeni's story. In China, you don't have to wait months to see a specialist. Same-day registration, same-day examination, same-week treatment, these are the norm. You don't have to worry that this doctor only looks at the heart, while that one only looks at the skin. The holistic perspective of traditional Chinese medicine offers one-stop care for your entire family's well-being. And you don't have to fear pain. Techniques like Lingnan Chen's acupuncture are swift, gentle, and effective. Many international patients fall in love with it from their very first try. Most importantly, the doctors here will remember you. Every year when Yeni flies back, her doctors recall her history, greeting her like an old friend. This kind of long-term, warm doctor-patient relationship is exceedingly rare in overseas healthcare systems. Your doctor may be just 15 minutes away or just 1 flight away. If you're tired of waiting, tired of fragmented care, tired of spending money without seeing results, perhaps it's time to give Chinese medicine a chance. Medicine knows no borders. Efficacy is the best passport. If you enjoyed this content, please follow us. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.